Hello everyone, welcome to the next discussion on the solar PV power project, which is nothing but the mini and major project to the college student. And today we are going to discuss about the solar power mobile charging station, and that is really useful nowadays. We can install somewhere there is no electricity and we have to charge our mobile phone. So this is not a normal solar power mobile charging station. So we can charge your batteries, which is we are going to use in the project by using the AC grid, as well as we can take the power from the solar panel. So there are two power supply given to the solar power mobile charging station. So there is a rainy season or weather monitoring, there is a weather, it's not a good weather, so we can use this power to charge your battery, and we can take the power from the battery for the mobile charging. So you can see here there are so many electronics components used in the solar power mobile charging station, and this is the actual PCB where we have to charge your batteries as well as mobile phone, and we have to connect the mobile phone charger with the USB. So I'll explain you everything regarding these all projects and all these components, what is the use of LCDs and buck and bust converters and batteries, and all these major components in the that PCB, that what is that use of PCB, and what is the solar panels, and how your battery charge by the solar power mobile charging station, that we are going to discuss now only. So you can see here, very first try to understand the solar panels and what is solar panel and how solar panels work and what types of solar panel we use. So you can take any solar panels of any types of technologies like monocrystalline, polycrystalline, thin film, but we have to take the charger on the basis of the specifications. So what is the battery specification, how to charge your battery, and what should be the capacity of your solar panel. So we have took the charger, we have took the solar panels of capacity for 5 volt, which is normal solar panels, and where the output of the panel is given to the buck and boost converter. So what is buck boost converter and what is the application of the buck boost converter, that we are going to understand. The buck converter is used to step down the voltage of the given input in order to achieve the required output, and buck converter are mostly used to USB at the go point of the load converter for PCs on laptop battery chargers. So cord capture, solar chargers, power audio amplifier, these converters are designed to have efficiency of 90% or higher, resulting in low power loss. So these are the some useful applications of the buck converter. So we have to use the buck converter to step down the voltage or whatever the voltage coming from the solar panels, and what is the output voltage from the solar panels that we have to be used to charge your battery. So we use some buck converters in the buck converter. There is some inductors and some diodes and some capacitors to fulfill or to achieve the required voltage of output voltage. So if you have to connect the battery of voltage 3.7 volts, so you have to charge your battery of the output of 5 volts. So we have to maintain that voltage level, because of the solar panels we will not get the continuous constant output voltage from the solar panels. So we have to use some converter which convert the desired voltage level, and we can charge your battery, or we can charge your battery continuously. So this is the use of buck converter. In detail we'll understand the circuit diagram and what is the major component of the buck converter that will be used in the that solar power projects. Now let us understand these are some lectures, these are some these things. So now let us understand the what is the Arduino Uno, or what is the use of Arduino in the solar PV power plant, and in the solar power mobile charging station. So Arduino is nothing but the mini computer, we can say. The Arduino Uno is a mini computer, and in the Arduino we can do some programming on the basis of the what we have to display on the the LCD display or current sensor. All these input values comes from the so now let us understand the major components we use in the solar power mobile charging station. So boost converter. So boost converter is a device which boosts the voltage of DC voltage. So that is what is the specification of the boost converter. So 3.7 volt to 4 volt, if you give the inputs of the boost converter, so we will get the 5 volt constant output. So as we know, solar panels will not produce a constant output voltage from the solar modules. So we require a constant output voltage to charge your batteries. We require 5 volts, so we can use the boost converter. Then we have to use some DC power sensor to measure the voltage and current. So we have used INA 219 DC power voltage sensor and current that we can measure by using this sensor. So that is connected to the solar output. So how much solar panel is producing, how much voltage is produced from the solar panel, and what time. So thank you so much for joining with me. Thank you everyone.